This is Mandriao district in Iloilo city, where the original Iloilo airport used to be in the early 2000s. It was in contrast with other districts, the least developed among the other districts within Iloilo city. But then in October 2007, Mega World won through a bid the 54-hectare old Iloilo airport lot for 1.2 billion pesos for the development of mixed-use residential and commercial complex. And after more than a decade, this is the Mega World development today. With an incursion of economic investments fueled by real estate developments, Mandriao district is now the fastest growing district in Iloilo city. Besides being the new go-to spot for mall goers and residential migrants, it has become the center for MICE tourism, which was partly boosted by the existence of the Iloilo Convention Center, which was built in 2015. This Mega World township is a 5-minute drive from Molo district and around 10-minute drive from downtown Iloilo. Similarly, it will also take around 10 minutes to travel to the north on the municipality of Pavia, while it will take at least 15 minutes or more to travel to the west to the town of Otun. There are other alternative routes going to Otun, but it will take longer. To boost economic progress, new roads have to be built in order to cut travel time from Otun to Iloilo city. A proposed project called the Iloilo River North Avenue project offers to provide this solution. It is a 5.5-kilometer road, which starts from the foot of Esplanade 1 near Mega World and stretches up to Barangay Cagbang village in Otun. It will be a 4-lane highway with an integrated bike lane and walkway. It also includes extensions of a Iloilo River Esplanade, which is around 2 kilometers in length. Others dub this project as Iloilo Sunset Boulevard, as the new road will be facing the breathtaking sunsets along the Iloilo River. The cost of the project is estimated at 803 million pesos. Last news update reveals that this project would start within 2021. Overall, the Iloilo River North Avenue project will further boost Iloilo city's improving economy forward to the next decade. If you like to watch more of this rich content, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell icon. And thank you for watching.